Hi, this is Rachel Bella, and this is my PeP Video Tour. Here is my welcome page, and then under candidate information, we get right into where I have some of my personal information about me, my goals, personal and professional goals that I'm hoping to achieve this year. Then we have my technology philosophy. Roughly, my technology philosophy is that we really should be using technology in the classroom, but we have to be able to support and help teachers feel comfortable in order to implement it. We cannot just throw it at them and say, do this. We need to make sure that everyone's trained and we're being supportive and pushing them to use technology with their students in the classroom. My leadership philosophy is here as well, and this also is my philosophy here is really a lot of teamwork. You cannot be a successful leader if you are just demanding things of certain people. You need to have everyone's input and really make everyone feel valued and let their voices be heard. And then I also talk about how we just need to make sure that also as a good leader, you're also in there doing the work with everyone so they can feel and see that you are right there with them alongside of them. I also have my resume attached down here as well. It's taking a second to load. There it is. And then over here under activity and evidence, we have my professional development plan. This really pushed me a lot to really think more around how we're doing professional development and how, in my building anyway, I realized while creating this plan, I was stuck in a box. I was stuck in thinking around the ways that we've been doing it this whole time, but reflecting back on that has not necessarily been effective. So trying to really think outside the box and see how we can create different professional development opportunities for staff that'll go along with technology and the different things that we are actually implementing and using in our district and in our building, and finding ways to make this fun and engaging for staff and to push them but keep them comfortable and know that they're supported, and break people up by groups of, because there's so many different levels of technology. Some are super great and comfortable, and then there's others who this is not their thing, and just making sure that we can create a plan where everyone is supported and everyone is able to successfully start implementing something technology-wise into their classroom. Then under here, activity evidence, I have I have training videos. This one is using Kahoot with my first graders in the classroom, and then I have my presentation around providing student feedback, as well as an article summary around assistive technology in the classroom. My activity evidence number 2, it's the same format. They all will start with the video or the presentation of me providing it. This is to staff using Google Sheets to work on student data. And then I have my presentation. I use the same presentation in this video that I did to create down here, as well as another article summary. And my last activity evidence, like I said, same format. So we have the video first, and this is me using Raz Kids in another alphabet application with students during a small little snippet of a guided reading group. And then the training that goes along with this is a Prezi, and it's using Raz Kids, and it's just an introductory training. This is an application that we will be using in our school. We had it last year, and it's getting renewed this year, so there's going to be a lot more push to make sure everyone's using it. So a training around Raz Kids, as well as an article summary that also talked about Raz Kids. And then on my extra resources page, I have just different presentations, flyers, activities, things that I have created over the course of getting this degree, and just different YouTube videos that I've posted and things like that, that all kind of tie in. And these were all things that really were either some of my favorite ones to create or ones that really just stuck out to me that I really actually found a lot of value and forced me to think a little deeper about different things. And then under evaluation, I have the peer review forms, and I have my external and internal ones here and linked. And also on a lot of my things, I posted, this is on this page, this is the actual one, but on the bottom I have the Google Doc link to any site or page where I just posted the content straight onto the website. And then under my reflection page, I have my reflection that I have worked on, and obviously we'll be finishing after comps. And that is my video tour.